Now similar to our previous problem, implement stack using queues. Our next question is implement queue using stacks. This is implement the queue using stacks. So here we will take 2 stack and 1 queue. This thing we know, and here we need to implement the myQueue class, and these 4 functions we need to implement here. And these are the simple notes given below. We ignore these notes and these example. You can read this example for better understanding and clarity. And these are the constraints we have already read in the previous problem. Okay, so now we move on to the solution of our problem. Implement queue using stack. So here we need to stack S1 and S2. So in myQueue class, below this public, we took 2 stack S1 and S2. We implemented this push function with big O of n complexity. Big O of n complexity, we here use the loop inside it. We push the element. In this push function, we pass the element x. Simple. We are taking 1 queue and 2 stacks. So S1 plays the role of the queue here, similar to the previous problem, where corresponding to 1 stack, our queue plays the role of our stack. Similarly, here our stack S1 plays the role of the queue. Here in this while loop, we run till our S1 is not empty. We push the S1 element from the top of stack S1 to stack S2, and then we pop the S1. We are popping this element from the top of stack S1. Now push the new element x to the stack S1, and here when our stack S1 becomes empty from this while loop, by the end of this while loop, our stack S1 becomes empty. New elements remain, and here in this through this second while loop, we run this. All the elements of S1 came into stack S2. Now we will push the element of the stack S2 to S2 into S1. So we run our loop till our S2 is not empty. If our S2 is not empty, we will push the S2 element into S1. So S1 dot push S2 dot top. S1 में हमने पुश किया, S1 dot push S2 dot top, and then we pop the S2 dot pop. We pop the element from the top of S2 stack, and now we will implement the pop function. Here this function also gets implemented in big O of 1 complexity. Big O of 1, which is constant time. Here we took the answer. Answer is our top of stack S1, which plays the role of queue. All the function we will use the stack S1. Okay, because it plays the role of queue, and pop from the S1. We return the answer as top of stack 1 S1 dot top, and pop from the stack S1. Popping means we are popping from the top of stack S1, and return the answer, this answer that we fetched out, which is the top of our stack S1. Peak means top element. corresponding to q, the top element is our stack s1 dot top. We will return for peak, we will return the top element of stack s1, because s1 plays the role of q. And for empty, since our queue is empty when our stack s1 is empty, so we return s1 stack s1 dot empty when our queue is empty. As of now, we implemented this all the functions of the queue using the stacks. Thank you.